guys, welcome. So in this video we will discuss about the scanner class of Java. We will see why scanner class is used and how it is used with a code level example. So before moving ahead, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you may get the notifications about my new videos. And if you like the video, then hit the like button as well. So now moving towards our topic. Java has variety of classes and each class provides a special functionality. A scanner is also a class of Java and it is used for getting input. Now that input can be from a user or any file. As in the previous video we learned to use the parameters of main method for getting input. Now we will learn how to use the scanner class for getting input. For that, let's create a simple program. Create a simple text file, name it whatever you want and change its extension and open it. Write these lines, as these lines will be discussed in great detail in coming videos, so don't be confused into them and just follow me. Now here I am writing a program which should ask user to enter his or her name, and after that it should ask for the gender, and then it should ask for the age, and then it will just print whole data. So we all want here is that first line should appear on the console and user should give any value, and this second line should appear on the console and the user should enter any value. So like this. So let's see how this will be done. The methods for getting input which are provided by scanner class are these. Let's see why these are different from each other and for what they are used. So their usage is quite clear from their names. If we take for example next line, this is used if you want to get a string input, or if we see the example of next int, this method is used if you want to get the integer input. So these are used for getting different types of values. Now let's use few of them. As here what I want is that I want to get input name after this line. So for that, first of all I will create the object of scanner class, because if I want to use the functionality or any method of any class in Java, then I have to make an object of that class. So for that, first of all I must import this class. We import class for using it. For importing we have to write the keyword, that is import, and then the full address of that class. As in the case of scanner it is java.util. Now that util is a package, that default package, and after that dot scanner and the semicolon. Now declaring the object. So we create the object by writing the name of that class first, and then the identifier and the object, and then the same operator, and after that we assign it a reference. So scanner input, get input, I am naming it get input, and new scanner, and in the parameter we will pass it system.in. Now I can use the methods of scanner class by using this object. As I want to get the string here, so I will write get input dot next line. Here is one thing to notice, that this method will get the input and return that received value. So if we want to use that received value, so then we have to store it into some variable. So here I am storing it by writing the string name and the same operator, and then that method. is how we get input by using Skinner class. But wait, here I want to tell you something about using this class, because if you don't know that thing you will face some problem while using this class. But don't worry, I will tell you the solution as well. So let's see what problem you will face. So for that I am making some changes in the code. See what happens. So this is not getting input after this next int. Reason of this problem is that this method does not store the value of enter which we are hitting, and as for your information, hitting the enter button, it generates a character called line ending character, so that is not stored by these methods. If you use the methods other than the next line, then they will create this same issue, and they will not because they will not store this character. So the solution of this problem is that using the next line method for getting all input. If you want to get the integer, then you should use the next int. Instead of next int, you should use the next line, because it will store the line ending character. So let's try this. So problem is solved, but here you may ask, what about taking integer? So that's not the issue. We can convert string value integer by using a method of integer class like this. So now this is integer now, but make sure you are converting a number into integer. I mean to say, the string which you are converting, that must contain an integer, not the other character. So if you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you have any issue or any problem regarding this, then ask me in the comment section. I will answer there, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next video.